Welcome to yet another episode of this build, and today I am going to work on removing the engine that is in the car currently because I need the oil pump. As I mentioned in the previous episode, I'm going to use the one that I have there, and once this engine is out, we do the timing chain, we close the whole engine, and we can drop the engine. And thanks to my friend who came to help me out. Because man, you cannot do this job by yourself, so you need a buddy. Okay, so I am underneath. I am removing the belly pan because we are going to drain fluid, and we're also going to remove the stuff in the front. Alright, so I removed the bumper and we have to remove all this as well. So we'll be taking out one by one. One is out. And we have to remove this. Quick updates, we removed the intercooler, the front mount intercooler. That's removed. Now we have to drain the liquid, and after that we will carry on with other things. All right, so what we are doing, we are just removing everything on our way to make it easier to remove the engine. I think this makes a lot of sense rather than, making our life difficult. We have to work smarter than working hard. Up. Yeah. All right, we're now about to remove this whole thing. We have to take it out. Oh, look at that. All right, this one is out. It's good to take out everything at once. Thank you. All right, and we have enough space to work on. This honestly makes everything easier because we can also just work without removing this guy, and we'll just take the motor and pull it this way out. It just makes everything easier. Whatever you want to do with your work, it's up to you. I think for me, I figure out it's just easier to do this way. And yeah, so now we can disconnect all the electrical stuff and everything else, remove the motor mount, and we'll have enough clean space, and we should be good to take out this motor today. Looks like a good start. So all right, so I guess we take a break. Yeah, it started raining, so we're just going to push how far we can get, if we will be able to remove this without the rain coming on our way. But this is where we're at. If the rain get on our way, there is nothing much we can do, and we'll come back for another time. right, we removed the transmission. Today is our second day of doing this. It's normal. It's rained yesterday and we had to stop everything. We removed the transmission. We're going to put the hoist, hang the engine on the hose, and then we will remove the exhaust. And after that, the whole thing will probably come out because we already disconnected everything that we should. I think you and I need to pull this.
What is this side on?
Dude, it's freaking.
Yes. We need to raise it up. We need to raise it up. It's caught on something. We need to raise it up. Now, we just lift that back up. And then pull. And now pull. We want to set it down.
The motor is out. Now we are going to place it over there, and we are going to transfer pretty much most of the stuff into the one that we are building. But most importantly, what I am targeting is the oil pump. I might go to Harbor Freight. We have to run quickly to Harbor Freight so that we can hold this motor from the bottom rather than the way we are holding it on this one here, because now it's holding electrons and everything. I mean, it's okay, but it's not safe right now.